Hi parents, I'm going to show you how to log into Canvas. I highly recommend that you use Google Chrome. That's going to work a lot better than Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. So here in a tab, I'm just going to type in clever.com and we're going to click on Login as Student. And you're going to scroll down and you should see 4 colorful squares. We're going to click that. And then you're going to type in your child's student number. And I'm just going to use a student that's in my class as an example. And then you should get something that looks like this. So what you could do is you can click on this heart and this Canvas icon will be brought up top to favorites. So you're always going to look for the palm trees with the red polka dots in the background. You can install this as an app on your phone. Just make sure you have the one with the red polka dots. The yellow polka dots in the background is the teacher Canvas app, and you probably don't want that one. So we're going to click on the Canvas icon. So what you're going to see when you get all logged in, this is called the dashboard. Here is your child's account. So if you click here, you can go to settings and add a picture or some clip art, whatever you choose. But right now we're just going to look at the homeroom class. Now this is my homeroom class, Miss Harris. So your child's tile, this is called a tile. The square, your child's tile might look a little different, but you're still going to click right here on the teacher's name. Once you click the tile, it should take you straight to your teacher's home page. You're going to see something like this. What I like about Canvas is over here, your child's going to have an ongoing to-do list. So any assignment that the teacher wants to see or that's going to be graded will always show up over here under to-do. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some buttons. We're going to push Monday. Once again, your teachers, this is called a module, may look a little different than mine, but they all should have red balloons, and that's what we're going to look at right now. So as you can see, this is the title of the module called Monday, Week 1. A lot of these lessons right here, your teacher probably already did with your child earlier this morning. So we're going to click on the first assignment or page where you see a red balloon. So I'm just going to click on this link. The link will take you to this assignment. This is an assignment that your child will do. Anything where you see the red balloon, these are independent activities your child should be able to do with little or no parent support. Now we know it's the first week, so they're probably going to need a little more support this week than usual. So for you to submit this assignment, you would hit Submit Assignment. You'll follow the directions, and that's how this page works. What I like also about Canvas is your child will just need to click the next button to go to the next red balloon activity. Next activity, once again, you'll see a red balloon, and if you scroll down, actually if your child wants to hit play, it will read these words to them, so you don't have to read them to your child. It will read the directions and everything for your child, which is also a nice feature. We have a Nearpod. All you do is click on the Nearpod and it will give you directions what to do. It's very simple. And once your child does that lesson, it'll bring you back to here, and then you would just hit next again to go through all of the red balloon assignments. Once you have concluded all of the red balloon assignments, there should be a page that says something like you're done for the day, enjoy lunch, and so forth. So that kind of concludes today's tutorial on how to log into Canvas and access the days of the week and the activities within the day